Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hey guys, welcome to Hadassah Creation. And my name's Hadassah. So subscribe, like, turn on your notification bell so you can see all the new videos. And also watch my other videos and follow me on all my other social media outlets. Today, guys, we have a hair transformation and a hair challenge. One thing you'll learn about me, I am very extra. So I'm going to be extra in this video. Now, I do a consultation with all of my clients. And I also like to check out their hair to see what I'm working with and what's going on. And this young lady found me on Google based on my review and came in for, I believe, some highlights and to make a trim, I believe. So as I'm looking through her hair, I realized like this ain't gonna be no regular highlight. And she kind of mentioned it in the consultation, but I didn't see it because her hair was like this. And she hasn't been able to wear her hair or touch her scalp for 2.5 months, guys. She had some extensions done 4 months ago and it was done improperly, and she also didn't do the maintenance of it. So it became this big, massive, matted ball of hair stuck behind her head. Poor thing. Now, some may ask, what took her so long to do it or to get it fixed? Well, she was embarrassed and she didn't know where to go or what to do. And by some chance, she was led my way. And before I even entered this, I literally had to pray. I didn't mean to sound so rhyming, but that kind of did rhyme, but whatever. So here, I'm going through it, trying to figure out what I'm going to do, coming up with a game plan. And what I did is I removed anything that I can see. So I removed all the little keratin links, and she also has some tape and extensions, and I removed those as well. Any products that I use, I will put down below in the description box. And stay tuned for the miracle. Hey guys, we are back and we're finally done. I'm able to run a comb through her hair. She has no patches or no weird, small, broken, uneven pieces. Not only was I able to save her hair, I low-key saved her life. And she was so happy that she was able to touch her scalp. I also did highlights, toner, deep conditioning treatment, trim, and round brush blow dry her hair. She was so happy. And I was so happy because this is like my first time really detangling someone's hair. So this is a learning process for me, but we got it done. So thank you for watching. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. I'm still new to this whole YouTube thing, but if you guys stay with me through the journey, we can learn together and you can watch the glow up. So what I would try to do when I speak in the video, I would try to end with an affirmation. And today's affirmation is, my experiences make me stronger, wiser, and prepared. It is perfect for this actual video because I couldn't plan that better. It just happens to be today's affirmation. But thank you for watching, and I appreciate you guys, and toodles.
I feel like a new person. I like it. It's near me.
It is. No more knots. We can run our fingers through it.